Yo, what's up, everybody? We are out here at Ohiopyle State Park in Pennsylvania. My name is Ernie, this is Noah, and this is our channel. We are going to be doing a lot on this channel, so if you're interested in watching us go hiking, camping, surviving, fishing, all that fun stuff, hit that subscribe, follow along for our journey. There's a train in the background, and yeah, look at this beautiful view. Say hi, Noel. Oh, wow. Yo, that's so sick. Really out here. Dude, we started walking on the trail and my GoPro died as soon as we started hiking. I was gonna bring my camera, but it was pissing down snow pretty bad when we got out of the car. On the way up here, it was like a winter wonderland of just white trees, and the ground was covered in snow. But then we went down the mountain, and now we're back to green and dead leaves. All right, we're coming up on the real waterfall, if you can hear it. Oh, wow. There's a tire. Tire. Somewhere around there. Oh, wow. Look at this. Back. Yeah. So we got lied to. It said it was supposed to be like a 70-mile trail. Not that we were going to be hiking the whole 70-mile trail. But we wanted to actually get some good miles in. We do be in the jungle. Yo, this is gorgeous. I wish I had my camera.
Plastic in the pockets.
What'd you say?
Plastic in the pockets where it belongs.
We can't get our eyes off this waterfall. Man is covering his face because he thinks he has ops.
It's cold, bro. Leave me alone. I'm in a shirt. That's it. You got a hoodie on. World's best piss locations. Top 10.
What are we thinking?
I think this is the place to dolphin dive.
You heard it here.
Not very knows my territory.
Hey Noah, what do you want to tell the folks about our channel and what to do?
You gotta go down this path because and subscribe.
Yo guys, we made it down to this little part by the river and it is absolutely gorgeous.
That's all I have to say.
That's all Noah has to say. He said subscribe. Hit it.
Yo, keep the far pork.
Bro's crazy with it. Bro's crazy with it. Bro.
Oh shit. The diabetic did it.
What a gentleman. Guys, if you're out here in nature, just pick up after yourself. We're taking some photos at this beautiful spot. And Noah's behind me climbing. So we're navigating. What? Could it be a
Is there
bear?
anything further out? Yeah, that's not convenient though. Let's just see what's going on. You know we're not. This weather's fucked too. I know what I'm doing there.
Yo, we found a rock bud. Catch him! So we found a map, and it showed us where the actual like 70-mile trail is. That'll be for another day. That's gonna be when we have all of our camping stuff, and we come out here and we actually hike a good bit. But look at this. Check this out. Dude, it's around here, there's so many beautiful views. Like, oh! Alright guys, that wraps up the video for today. Noah's down here taking pics. And yeah, if you like what we do on this channel, hit that subscribe, comment down below, and hit that like. Support us any way you can, it's much appreciated. And until next time, peace.